Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, April Fool's Day, 2026. Welcome to the live trading room. I'm glad you're all here. Hope you had a lovely evening last night. Let's get rid of that. Here is yesterday's charts. Boy, something sure happened at 12:38 yesterday because the market just took off right about then. Um, Anyway, had five trades yesterday for plus 102. I screwed up on my math yesterday. I thought it was 130. It was 102, which is still a good day. Though we had that nice swing high starting out in the beginning of the day and then some back and forth. Nice sell off, some back and forth, and then that huge swing high that happened right in the middle of the day. Not a lot really happening the rest of the day. The market did trend up through the rest of the day and ended up at 577 72, and we have a gap play this morning, and the gap trigger and fill is going to be 578.64. Write that down. 578.64 gap. And let's see where the current price is. Up at 581.50. Let's let Kathleen in. And let's head over to the option chain. Let's get rid of that. We've got 3,486,000 already traded in pre-market volume. Obviously, the strikes are way out of balance right now, so we will figure out what strikes we're going to do when we get all this pre-market volume basically figured into the strikes. Um, Pricing may be kind of low today. Uh, just looking at these. So anyway, we'll see what happens when that comes back. Anyway, let's all say good morning, Mr. Keith Rampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, interesting day yesterday. I had what, one, two, three, four, five trades up $1.61 yesterday. So
Nice.
good day yesterday. This morning, all right, where did it go here? There it is. We had the mortgage applications report come out, came about the same as last reported. ADP employment change came out much hotter than anticipated at 8:15. Had retail sales numbers come out a little better than expected at 8:30. And let me see here. Then we had one of the Fed members speaking at 9:05, one of them at 9:10. And we'll have another one. Let me see here. 9:45 we'll have the global manufacturing PMI come out. Business inventories, ISM numbers come out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop at 10. And um, and that's about it here. See, the president is scheduled to speak tonight at 9 o'clock. And that's about it here. Generally speaking, as we get further in the week, expect maybe a little lower volume. Remember, the markets are closed on Friday for Good Friday, so being the holiday week, we may start seeing a little bit lower volume. I'll be trading today's expiration with Tim. And that's about all I have here.
Okay, well, that's a lot. Thank you, sir, for the
Yep.
report. All right, very good. And congratulations on a great day yesterday. Okay, we've got about 20 seconds before we start. Remember to have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on each of your charts. So we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. We're coming up on 10 seconds. Got a good full house in today. Appreciate that. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. And we are in. Price declining right off the bat. Not a whole lot. All right, broader markets are reporting. We've got the Dow's up by 393, Nas up by 161, S&P up by 38. So definite positive markets on the broader indices. We're in the second minute. Price is trying to decline a bit. Got all the, oh, wait a second. Let's go to, there we go. Um, I'll be at the 579 on the call side and 583 on the put side. Price trying to decline here a bit. All right, looking at the 580 on the call side here. S- Stand by. Yeah, it's not really taking off here.
Yeah, I like to wait to at least 9:35 to do any trades anyway.
Yeah, yeah, it's heading up. Let me see here. Looking at the 581 on the call side. Stand by. Price declining now. All right, looking at the 581 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 581. Trying to. There we go. In at 378. All right, stand by to take some profit here. Let's go ahead and take some profit. Out at 392, 378 to 392. May go back to the 581 on the call side. Got a big reversal going on now. Got a bit of sell-off going on. Price is just pausing right here.
By the way, I put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. Price just diving here.
Looking at the 585 on the put side.
Okay. 585 on the put side. 585.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll look at the 584 on the put side.
All right. All right. I'm going to try to enter this here.
Okay.
378. Go ahead and try to take profit here.
Okay.
Well, all right. I'll wait.
I'm going to head over to the call side, to the 580 on the call side. Just hanging out at the demand zone here.
Okay, I'm going to try to get profit here. Is it going
Okay.
to fill? Yes, it does. Good. I got 20 cents on that.
All right.
378 to 398.
Put a supply zone or supply zone way on top here.
Hmm. Oh, yeah. By the way, that global manufacturing PMI report that came out at 9:45 was just a tad anticipated, but not by much at all. It was pretty much spot on.
Mm, okay.
And still have a number of them at 10 o'clock here.
All right. Going over to the 580 on the call side. 580 on the call side. See if we can get past VWAP here. Turned away from VWAP as we would expect. Let's see if we can make another try at it. Okay, 580 on the call side. I'm going to enter this or try to. There we go. Got in. In at 372.
It passed me by. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. And I'm expecting a delivery any minute now, so I may have to step away for 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna jump into anything.
All right, stand by to get out of this. Come on, get back up there.
And we got about 25 seconds till the pop at the top.
Mm-hmm. Here comes the pop. Boy, a
What
lot of
did you
jumping around. Hmm?
what did you get in at, Tim?
372.
372.
All right, stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit here. Ah, come on, get up there. Pop up there and take it. There we go. Thank you. Out at 404, 372 to 404.
Okay. Way to be patient with it.
Yeah. So Dow is up 270, Nasdaq's up 221, S&P's up 43. Price still climbing, trying to climb. Got 13,233,000 traded on the underlying. So good volume, just a few minutes below 100,000. Just those minutes, 4 minutes preceding the pop, at a little lower volume on those. And we can go ahead and lower our demand zone down to a real demand zone, like so. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 581 on the call side. See if we get through the supply zone here. Price reversing, coming down a bit. We're just in a big, giant, messy middle right now, waiting for a breakout. Well, price just going up slightly. Dow's still up 255, Nas up 234, S&P up 43, about where it was. At 15,413,14,000 traded on the underlying. Got price just knocking on the bottom side door of the supply zone.
Just don't want to cross there, does it?
No, it doesn't. Come on, price, let's move out of this pattern. There it goes. Going over to the 582 on the call side. Just wants to go into consolidation. Boy, one of these has got to take off at some point. This is just going nowhere fast.
No, no, it's frustrating. I've only had one trade this morning for 20 cents.
Tim,
Yes, sir.
when you get into a trade that does not do exactly as planned and you're contemplating getting out, but you don't get out, and then it begins to turn around a little bit and act like it's going to finally decide to do right, but maybe it's down 50, 75 cents or dollar or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Would you recommend that we get in it at that point if we're not in it already? In other words, do you still like it enough that if you weren't in it, you'd get in it then?
It depends, Larry. Kind of depends on where the broader markets are. Um, I would say yes, I would consider it.
Okay. Well, do you mind if we ask you at that point, do you still like it?
Sure.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, Larry. Do that.
Yeah.
Okay. It seems like a salient point because uh, it occurs to me that you stop me if you want to play on this call that's trying to come up, but you almost always know what this underlying is going to do. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
a little bit wrong about when it's going to do it, but
Uh-huh.
it almost always does what you actually call. So if it decides that it needs to take a dip before it obeys your command,
Uh-huh.
um, and we happen to not get in it in the first place, it seems to me if it's down 50, $75, whatever, it might be a nice time to get in then.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'd,
that's true.
I'd want to ask for permission first though.
Okay. That's fine. I'm sorry, guys. I just jumped into this call. The 582 at 328. This may take a while to unfold. All right, stand by to get out of this.
Did you jump out of that, Tim?
No, I'm still in it. Uh,
I think my delivery is here, so I'm gonna have to step away for a little bit here.
okay. All right, stand by to get out of this. Oh, and up to ah. Only stayed up there for a second. I was planning to get out at 360. Come on, get up there. Come on, get on up there.
Do you have a profit target set?
I do. I would set it 360, well, 359.
And it didn't hit it then?
Uh, I didn't have it set when it went up that last time.
Oh,
Yeah, shame on me.
Yeah, because a lot of times it'll wick up and you don't ever even see that it was there.
Yeah.
You just hear a nice little ding
Yep.
and you're out. Yeah, it wicked up to 378
Of course.
before you had your set, of course.
Yep.
Of course.
Just jumped up there so fast.
Yeah, it did. It was hoping you were asleep.
Yeah, and it got me.
Yeah. It just feels wrong to have to take less once it's already been up there too.
It does.
Feels like you've been cheated.
Yep.
Is it easier, Tim, for a price to return to a higher point once it's been there than to get there in the first place?
Yes. Yes, it is. There's less resistance, again, going back up to that previous price.
Hmm. So it's actually, I'm looking back to the low on that one, which was about 1036. So that when it began to turn, say 1037, you've got green candles. Uh, that would actually be a safer call than when it was indicated in the first place.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a thought. Because this trade got down to about $2 and it got down to about $2.14.
Mm-hmm.
And then 2 minutes after that, it hit 378.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Come on, just a little higher. There we go. Got it. Got it. 328 to 358.
You got the high point of that wick too.
Mm-hmm.
You got every penny of it. Wow, that was a good call.
Thank you. Just had to wait a while to get it. What are our broader indices doing? So Dow's up 390, Nasdaq up 276, S&P up 57. We got 22,315,000 traded on the underlying. Pretty good volume, not a whole lot of minutes below 100,000 here and there, but good volume. Just not a lot of great price movement this morning. Oh, excuse me 1 minute, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So price is trending up overall. If you get into a call trade, you're just gonna have to wait a while, as I did on that one.
I just got back. So you got into another call trade?
No, it's that same one. Got out for 30 cents.
Oh, okay, good, good. Just a reminder that Artemis rocket launch is scheduled for 6:24 this afternoon.
Ah, okay.
I
Like to
don't know if
watch.
we'll be able to see it here in Maryland or not because clouds are starting to move in here.
Mm-hmm.
But it's supposed to go up pretty much up the East Coast.
Oh, cool. Maybe we'll see it. We wish those astronauts the best of luck.
Yep, yep.
Is
Say the
that
first time they've gone around or gone close to the moon since 72.
Wow.
is this Elon?
Yes, yeah. Ar Artemis 2 rocket going up.
Yeah. How many passengers?
It's either 4 or 5. I think it's 5.
Yeah. All US or different nations?
No, I think it's all U.S.
Yeah.
Is this all SpaceX or is it with NASA?
I think it's SpaceX. Yep.
Wow.
I was down visiting my mom about a month ago, driving from Orlando over to the coast to 95, and I guess I got there around early evening kind of thing. And just as I was driving across the highway, I said, "What is that strange light up there?" Well, it was an Atlas rocket launch.
Oh, oh, cool.
So I mean, I wasn't real close, but definitely could see it and could see the first stage separation on it too.
No kidding. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
it looked
very
like a
cool.
big bus on fire up in the sky.
I thought Elon did all of his from Texas.
Uh-uh.
No? Hmm. Well, does his stuff go off from Canaveral?
Yeah.
Or does it?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
Yeah, I think he's leasing some pads there.
uh,
Well, got price still rising. Dow's up 410, Nas up 302, S&P up 61. Just a very slow climb up.
The answer to the crew, there's four crew members.
Ah,
one of which is Canadian.
Oh, is it? Okay.
well, does he share astronauts with NASA?
I don't know where the line is for crew and control and all. I don't know.
I mean, because not just everybody knows what to do up in one of those things,
No.
I'm guessing.
Years ago, I was working on a project that we were doing a sensor for, and we put a proposal in to fly it on the not the space station, but the one of their rockets, and it would have required someone who's knowledgeable with it to go. So there was a slight chance that I would have been selected to go and operate the equipment in space,
wow.
and my wife says, "No way, you're not going." And that was before the Challenger accident too. So,
Oh, wow.
but she's even that she says, nope, I will not approve you going.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, that it was a real long shot and that didn't happen.
How would you like to have had to march in there and say, "Well, I would, but my wife won't let me"?
Well, I bet it wouldn't be
Larry,
the.
I know better than that.
All right, guys, we are at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and close out this morning session. So, at three trades up 46, 79.
Oh, great, great. I only had one up 20 cents.
Okay. So, that's it, folks. We will see you all tomorrow morning for the last day of the week of trading.
Yep, yep. Have a good day, everybody.
Yeah, have a great afternoon, folks. See you tomorrow.